really very interesting for us.
You guys enjoying it?
I really enjoy it, yeah. It makes fun.
Okay, GoPro पनि यहाँ रहेछ ल. Okay, let's start the vlog. है त. हामी अब हिँडिसक्यौँ. अब साथीलाई कुर्दैछौँ. यहाँ चाहिँ प्रिन्स छ. अब हामी एकैछिनमा साथी आएपछि हिँड्छौँ है त.
Yo yo.
Hey guys, हामी लेक साइडमा आइसकेका छौँ. यहाँ कन्सर्ट पनि भइरहेको रहेछ. You can see here. ल हामी छिरेम. ओके गाइस, हेर कस्तो रमाइलो हुन्छ.
It's a nice day here, and in Europe, in the Catholic Christian religion, we have a holy day too. It is called a day where Jesus rode on a monkey, no, not a monkey, a donkey into Jerusalem, and all the people were waving, hello, you are our new king. And 5 days later, he was killed, crossed. I think you know the Christian symbol of the cross. So, how long? We're leaving tomorrow to go to the mountain, and arrived in Kathmandu on Wednesday. So, it is really very interesting for us. Yeah.
Are you guys enjoying it?
I really enjoy it. Yeah, it makes fun. Thank you.
Happy Holi.
ल त दाइको जुङ्गा हेर्नु न.
ओके निकी राम्रो स्माइल दिनुभयो उहाँहरूले. ओके सरी गाइस, यतिकै जोक गरेको है.